Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. We're at episode 17 of season 1 now. It's wonderful to have you with me, dedicated to improving your English speaking skills. Let's continue our practice. Listen carefully, pause, and repeat, focusing on natural intonation. Today's topic is something I think is incredibly important for our well-being and growth. Embracing imperfection. Why it's okay not to be perfect. In a world that often seems to value perfection, it's easy to fall into the trap of thinking we always have to get things exactly right, or that we shouldn't make mistakes. But the truth is, perfection is an unrealistic and often unattainable goal. Being human means being imperfect. We all make mistakes, we all have flaws, and we all have days when things don't go as planned. And that is perfectly okay. In fact, our imperfections are part of what make us unique and relatable. Trying to be perfect all the time can be exhausting and can lead to a lot of unnecessary stress and anxiety. It can also hold us back from trying new things for fear of not doing them perfectly. Instead of striving for an impossible standard of perfection, it's much healthier and more productive to focus on progress and growth. When we make a mistake, it's an opportunity to learn and to do better next time. Our errors don't define us. How we respond to them does. Embracing imperfection means being kind to ourselves when we stumble and recognizing that learning is a journey, not a destination. This mindset is especially important when learning a new skill, like a language. You will make pronunciation mistakes, you will use the wrong grammar sometimes, and you might struggle to find the right words. That's all part of the process. If you wait until you can speak perfectly before you start speaking, you might never start. The key is to practice, to be willing to make those mistakes, and to learn from them. Embracing imperfection also allows us to be more authentic. When we're not trying to hide our flaws, we can be more genuine in our interactions with others. It creates space for vulnerability and deeper connections. So, let's try to be a little kinder to ourselves. Let's celebrate our efforts and our progress rather than focusing solely on achieving a flawless outcome. It's okay to be a work in progress. In fact, that's what life is all about, continually learning and growing. I hope these thoughts resonate with you and provide some good material for your shadowing practice. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember to be patient with yourself. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!